All right, boys. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the perfect, the absolute best known sandwich to mankind. After this, you won't ever need to make a different type of sandwich again. Mind you, if you're allergic to peanuts, you will, but anyone else, any good people in this world, anyone worth living, you guys won't ever have to make another sandwich again in your life. Let's get into it. Alright, boys, so the sandwich in question, the greatest sandwich ever, is a peanut butter sandwich. Now, you may be thinking, Micah, I know how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Well, you don't know how to make it in a good way then, because how I make it is the absolute best. Now, as you'll notice here, I'm not stopping as I keep on putting on more peanut butter. I'm just keep on going. I want this to be a thick, and I say thick, meaning thick. I want globs, I want centimeters of this peanut butter. Now, right here, this, you might be thinking, this has got to be enough, right, Micah? Well, you are wrong. You know why? Because there's another side of the bread. We are doing this once again on this side of the bread. And now, I am going to be almost finishing up the insanest, the most absolute phenomenal sandwich of the absolute human lifespan of peanut butter. Now, you may be saying, Micah, that's just for show. You're not actually gonna eat this, are you? Well, I prove thee wrong. All right, so here we are with the most phenomenal sandwich you will ever see in your life. Just look at all that peanut butter. And I'm gonna eat it just because I want to eat food and it can make great content. Look at all that. Am I just a bit of water? See you in the next